Hello guys, it's me Nikesh Pasnet and you are watching I don't know guys what are you watching. You are watching about how to take sharp image by Canon 60 Mark II guys, and I will show you how to take sharp image guys. I will show you all the settings which is help us to get sharp image by Canon 60 Mark II. And sorry for background noise guys. So this is a first full frame camera by Canon. I don't know other brand, but it is the first full frame camera by Canon and mid-range DSLR, which is very best for mid-range guys. And I think it is not for a beginner. We are take great images like professional images by this camera body, and I attach 24-105 mm kit lens. Yes, it's kit lens. And guys, I'm from Nepal, and its price in Nepal, I think I convert on dollar at $2,100 guys. $2,100 Nepali price is 2,30,000 around with this kit lens. And show you all those images, example images and settings. So let's get start the video guys. Before we start the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. I will give you some tips, tricks and about more about 60 Mark II, because I have only this body Canon 60 Mark II. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, sorry for background disturbance sound. So guys, I will show you how to get sharp images when my camera is in auto mode. Okay, I will switch it manual mode. Okay, so guys, first okay, so guys, always when you want to take sharp images, you have to your autofocus mode guys. Autofocus switch is here. So you have to take one shot, and drive mode single shot. And now click here, and we have go to the this picture styles guys. You have to choose picture styles, any, but I will show you setting guys. So here is some settings. So standards people. So guys, here is the setting guys. First you have to choose guys like 7, and fineness guys you have to take 5, and threshold guys you have to decrease it. Use this setting on every guys, neutral and all the guys, landscape, portrait guys, everywhere you have to use those settings to get sharp image. And you have to use single focus guys, manual selection guys. This type single focus, it's help you more to take sharp images. You have to focus on single point, and you have to get sharp images. And this focus point you have to take this one guys, and other setting it's no more important for sharp images. So guys, I will show you some images guys which I take. Okay guys. Okay guys, those are image samples on this setting guys, which I show you, and I think you like this camera setting. Please comment and share your knowledge guys if you know any ideas about this camera. So we are learning here to exchange our knowledge. So hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe our channel. I will upload about this camera guys, everything, tips, tricks, knowledge, and behind the scene videos and candid photo shoot guys. I have many more guys. I have many content to upload and share you my knowledge guys. Thank you guys. Okay, bye. See you on next video.